They say luck can't be grown, but what if it can? What if a simple succulent on your windowsill could quietly shift the energy in your home, bringing peace, prosperity, even money? Today we're revealing 9 mysterious succulents believed to bring good fortune. It might sound too good to be true, but some of these plants have centuries of belief and symbolism behind them. Let's dig into the secrets your houseplants might be hiding. The jade plant is often called the money tree, and for good reason. With its thick coin-shaped leaves, this succulent is believed to attract wealth and abundance wherever it's placed. Keep it near your home's entrance or office desk. Some swear it boosts income and opportunity. Aloe vera isn't just for burns and beauty. It's also known for protecting spaces from bad vibes. Folklore says the spiky leaves repel negativity and misfortune. When it's thriving, it's said to absorb bad energy, and when it withers suddenly, it may be warning you. The small but striking zebra plant might just be your home's luck charm in disguise. Its bold striped leaves give it character, and in spiritual circles it's believed to quietly guard your home from hidden negativity. Place it near a sunny window and let it stand watch. Also known as hens and chicks, Sempervivum has long been planted on rooftops in Europe to protect homes from lightning and evil spirits. It's a tough little plant that symbolizes resilience, and keeping one indoors is said to attract strength and long-lasting good fortune. Flaming Katy is not just a succulent, it's a blooming burst of positivity. Its cheerful flowers are thought to radiate happiness, making it perfect for bringing warmth and luck into a room. The brighter it blooms, the stronger the energy it sends out. The snake plant's sword-like leaves are bold, upright, and full of symbolic strength. Some believe it absorbs toxins, not just from the air, but from the energy around it. It's often called a protector plant, ideal for keeping bad luck and dark energy at bay. String of pearls, a cascading beauty, is often linked to wealth and financial fortune. Its round bead-like leaves look like green pearls or tiny coins symbolizing prosperity. Hang it in a bright spot and let the wealth drip down, leaf by leaf. The Christmas cactus is more than just a holiday bloomer. In many cultures, a plant that flowers indoors is seen as a powerful omen of luck. When this one bursts into bloom, it's believed to usher in joy, family harmony, and even success in the year ahead. String of coins, also called chain of hearts, is a plant that lives up to its name with tiny coin-shaped leaves that grow in a trailing pattern. Many keep it near windows or entrances to invite prosperity inside. The more it grows, the more wealth it's believed to attract. So, are these just plants or something more? You don't need to believe in magic to bring a little extra luck into your life. Grow one, grow them all, and let nature do the rest. If you found this video helpful or intriguing, give it a like and subscribe for more green secrets waiting to be uncovered.